Hello friends, welcome to DUDR Academy. So today I have come up with the exam insights from pediatric nursing. So there are 6 questions. I will read out the questions. First question, a newborn is suspected to have respiratory distress if there is. Options are flaring of nostrils, acrocyanosis, breath holding spells, irregular respiration. Second question, the dilution of adrenaline used in neonatal resuscitation is. Options 1 is to 10, 1 is to 100, 1 is to 1000, 1 is to 10,000. Third question, what is the primary critical observation for Apgar score? Options are pyrexia, heart rate, respiratory rate, presence of meconium. Fourth question, toilet training to a baby should be started at an age of. Options 12 months, 15 months, 18 months, 24 months. Fifth question, the newborn maturity rating scale is assessed by. Options are New Bellard scale, Apgar score, Glasgow Coma scale, growth chart. Then the sixth question, ponderal index is weight by height cube into 100, weight by height square into 100, height by weight square into 100, height by weight cube into 100. Now let me discuss the answers of each question. So the first question is, a newborn is suspected to have respiratory distress if there is flaring of nostrils, acrocyanosis, breath holding spells and irregular respiration. So here the correct answer is flaring of nostrils. According to Silverman-Anderson index or Silverman scoring, there are 5 parameters to assess the respiratory function, and that include the chest movement, intercostal retraction, xiphoid retraction, nasal flaring and expiratory grunting. So here if there is flaring of nostrils, that indicate that newborn is suspected to have respiratory distress. Acrocyanosis is the peripheral cyanosis of hands and feet, and it is normal in the first few hours after birth, and it can be noted intermittently for 7 to 10 days. Breath holding spells means the crying stops at full expiration and child become apneic, cyanotic or pale. Then regarding the respiration of newborn, normal respiration of newborn is shallow and irregular with a respiratory rate of 30 to 60 breaths per minute. So that is normal according to newborn. So here the correct answer is flaring of nostrils. Second question, the dilution of adrenaline used in neonatal resuscitation is. Options 1 is to 10, 1 is to 100, 1 is to 1000, 1 is to 10,000. Correct answer is 1 is to 10,000. The indication of giving adrenaline or epinephrine is in neonatal resuscitation is if the heart rate remains less than 60 beats per minute after at least 30 seconds of effective positive pressure ventilation, or another 60 seconds of chest compression coordinated with ventilation using 100% oxygen. So in that case we have to administer epinephrine or adrenaline, and the dose is 0.1 to 0.3 ml per kg of 1 is to 10,000 dilution. 0.1 to 0.3 ml per kg is the concentration or the dose used of 1 is to 10,000 epinephrine is used for both intravenous and intratracheal use. So here the correct answer is 1 is to 10,000. Third question, what is the primary critical observation for Apgar score? Options pyrexia, heart rate, respiratory rate, presence of meconium. Correct answer here is heart rate. Heart rate is the primary critical observation. That is, heart rate is the vital for life and it is the most critical observation in Apgar scoring. Apgar scoring means it is a quick test performed on a baby at 1 and 5 minutes after birth. The method of assessing the newborn's adjustment to the extrauterine life is Apgar scoring, and it includes the appearance, heart rate, grimaces, activity or muscle tone, and the respiration or breathing pattern. Now the fourth question. Toilet training to a baby should be started at an age of options 12 month, 15 month, 18 month, 24 month. Here the correct answer is 18 month. So toilet training to a baby should be started at the age of 18 month. Then the fifth question. The newborn maturity rating scale is assessed by options New Bellard score, Apgar score, Glasgow Coma scale, growth chart. Here the correct answer is New Bellard score. So the assessment of gestational age in newborn include neurological criteria for infant's maturity and the physical criteria. That is, it includes the neuromuscular maturity and the physical maturity, and it is assessed by New Bellard score. The neuromuscular maturity include the posture, square window, arm recoil, popliteal angle, scarf sign and heel to ear. The physical maturity, the components include skin texture, lanugo, plantar creases, breast nodule, ear firmness and genitalia. Apgar scoring is used to assess the newborn's adjustment to the extrauterine life, and Glasgow Coma scale, that is used to assess the level of consciousness. We have already uploaded a video on pediatric Glasgow Coma scale. The link is given in the I button, you can watch it. And next is the growth chart. It is also known as the road to health chart, and it is used to monitor the growth measurement, and it is recorded over a period of time and plotted on graph regarding the children. So here the answer is the newborn maturity rating scale is assessed by New Bellard scale. Then the sixth question. Ponderal index is options weight by height cube into 100, weight by height square into 100, height by weight square into 100, height by weight cube into 100. So here the correct answer is weight by height cube into 100. So what is ponderal index? It is used to identify the intrauterine growth restriction, that is symmetric or asymmetric IUGR. It is the indicator of fetal growth status. It can be obtained from ultrasonography, and the normal ponderal index is 2.5. It is indicating the term or appropriate for the gestational age. And it is calculated using the formula weight in gram by length cube into 100. If the ponderal index is less than 2, that indicates asymmetrical IUGR, and if it is greater than 2, ponderal index is greater than 2, that indicates symmetrical IUGR. So here the correct answer, the formula for calculating the ponderal index is weight by height cube into 100. So thank you for watching the video. Hope you like this video. Also share this video to your friends.